Good afternoon, folks. This is Mark McKenna with Realty Executives. As you can see here, we have an open house, and this is a beautiful community of Acacia Estates with these amazing homes. But really, the most gorgeous home of them all is this one right here. This one. Can you see that? That's pretty interesting stuff, huh? Well, come on, let's take a look at it, a little closer look. Now, just so that the audience members know, I don't know how to edit. So this is raw footage, folks. Raw footage of an agent showing an open house. Here we go. So I want to go in backwards, okay? You see how that is? That's the gate. Just imagine yourself talking to people and greeting people in your new home in this beautiful courtyard. Here we go. Look at that. Close the door. Just imagine people in the back over here. Little Bobby sitting down on his chair right here. He could sit there if he wanted to and enjoy this amazing weather. You got surveillance. Security comes with the house. And come on, let's take a look. We're just going in here now to the front door. Remember, only professionals could go in backwards like this. I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional backwalker, but I am a professional real estate agent. Anyways, here we are. Raw footage, folks. Raw footage. Entryway, beautiful. You got paintings here behind, little niches on each side. Do a quick pan. I know you're probably getting dizzy right about now. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Let's go down the hallway where the everyone else lives. Okay. You got nice. Look at this. This is storage. Amazing. Now, if you look behind me, it's a nice long hallway. I got a bedroom down there with a full bath, as well as a closet, of course. Nice hallway here. Look at this. We'll go into this room here. Let's see if I can do a pan here. Look at this. It's an amazing size room. This is a huge room. And guess what? It has a walk-in closet. Yeah, walk-in closet. And what is this? I don't know. Is that a shower? Yeah. Shower. You know, toilet, everything. Amazing. Okay, one more time. Wow, look at this. You got kids. They'll be living in luxury here with the ceiling fans, their own private showers for guests. This is great. Again, another walk-in closet. You cannot find that in every home. And in this home, you do. Here we go. Going down the hallway where we're at. Oh, here we go. Walking. Look at this. Right down the way here. Third bedroom. Really nice. It's a large bedroom here. Very large. All of them are. All the secondary bedrooms are very large. Own private full bath, as well as, of course, you got a deep closet in this one here. But it's the full length of the wall here. Very nice front window. Plenty of light. High ceilings. And they're 8-foot doors. All right, so this is just one part of the house, just one part. It's amazing, all these parts. Okay, now you got choices. Now, if I go in backward mode, you could take a look. Now, you got a hallway here down to the kitchen. You see the kitchen area down over there? There's another bedroom down there and a full bath that could service the guests out here in that you have that come over. Pool table, of course, this could be any type of an arrangement you want, but it has huge not vaulted ceilings, but wooden beam ceilings, as well as a really nice wood-looking ceramic tile. Durable, makes sense. It's a high traffic area. Of course, you got the lights inside the niches here for the highlight your art pieces. Here we go, master bedroom and a master bath. Here we go, look at that. Amazing, folks. You can sit there for days on end if you wanted to. Just relax. Then it's the walk-in shower. That's right. The voice deepens when you go in here. It's just amazing, folks. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that from this angle. I'm sorry for the technical difficulties. But it's a walk-in shower. It's really a neat arrangement. It's luxury living. If you were to go to a high-end resort, you would expect those type of amenities. Well, you have them here on a daily basis. Okay, look at that. extra sink, his and her sinks. And then if you could, look at this is mind-blowing now. Look at that, you got the mirrors and stuff right here, closet behind there. Nice, deep, huge closet. I don't know if you could see that, but there's an armoire in there. I mean, there's just, it's worth checking out in person. This is only a quick taste of what you could expect. Let's go and check out the master suite here. Look at this, that huge king-size bed, and they got extra lighting above. Of course, you got a ceiling fan, and you got plenty of windows. You got a huge picture window here that looks out to the backyard and the pool, which we'll get out there in a second. Amazing views, really neat stuff. Of course, you got the spa out there and the grill area. And if you think about it, if you wanted to go out there right now, you don't have to bust through a window to do it. You actually got your own entrance that goes out to the covered patio that goes out to the backyard. Can you say that about your house? No, I can't. It is what it is. In this house, you can. You can say, I can to this house. Here we go, folks. We're going out to the master bedroom. Around the hallway here again. Look at this. Huge open. But is this the only room that you could play in? I don't think so. Check it out. Remember I told you about the extra bedroom down here by off the kitchen area? Here it is. This has been used as it could be as of course, a fifth bedroom. It could be an office, play area, whatever you want it to be. It's offset from the other bedrooms and even private from the master as well. So it could be a guest quarters for somebody. Full bath here. You have all the amenities. So if we just walk a little bit further down, before we get into the kitchen, which I'm going to hold that back for you because you're going to like to see this as well, is the laundry area. Look how big this laundry area is. I can't believe this. Look at it. You got cabinets in here. You have hanging rods. Of course, you got additional storage. You see that? Hopefully it's not going to fall. There you go. Neat, neat. Okay, behind me is the 4-car garage. 4-car garage, folks. You have to take a look at it. I can't show it to you right now. There's not enough time. But there's 4 cars. Well, 4-car garage back there. I can't tell you. It's really neat. There's also instant hot water. You get instant hot water, water softener, and also, of course, you got in the sink here. You'll see the little reverse osmosis area. Huge walk-in pantry. Huge walk-in pantry. There's a lot of things you could do here. This house services the number of occupants here. You get, 7 people could live here comfortably without, feeling, jammed. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at that kitchen. That is an amazing kitchen. You got the wall ovens. You got the burner off to the side. That's a gas burner, by the way. You look at that sink. It's one basin, really nice, makes things work out nice there. You got the nice detail on the cabinets, soft close doors. Of course, you got a little kitchen area here for coffee and just greeting and butler kind of area. And then over here, this could be more like a little serving area if you wanted. So look at that, how much space you have there. You put all the food out there for the family and everything. People be running around, playing, watching TV over there. People go outside and play pool or, jump in the pool. I mean, you got options. Look at this. Look at the detail. I want to show you the detail on this. See these things? Isn't this neat? These little details blends in well. Everything is by design. Nothing by accident here, folks. And now let's walk into kind of like the family room area. Huge TV. Now, believe it or not, that is a 65, 70-inch TV or so, and it looks dwarfed on that wall. So you got plenty of space that you could, do different things if you wanted to. Several TVs, projector, whatever you want. You have surround sound here in this area. Of course, the fan. You got the nicely placed fireplace. Nice picture window. It's great stuff. Let's go outside. Want to go outside? Want to go outside? Want to go outside? Okay, my dog, I know that. Here we go. All right, here we go. Look at this, covered patio. This is a covered patio with a fan. Okay, you have an outlet here for TV. If you want to have an outdoor entertaining space, you can do that. Of course, you got the doggy door. Yeah, that's neat. And then here, the cool thing about this, and it's hard to see it from this angle, but these doors open up. Look at those doors. They open up all the way. So it brings the outdoor, indoor living kind of arrangement into play. And if you take a look at this, this is a really cool thing. Look at that. That's what's behind me. Now, if I back up here, I can walk into the pool. And you would like to see that. I ain't going to have to. Sorry, folks. For $19.95, I might do it. But anything short of that, I don't think so. Look at this. This is huge space out here. You can have a football game out there. 2 football games going on at the same time. Look at this. Look at this. Pool and the spa. I'm just going to walk and you guys look. Look at this. You see that? This is nighttime entertaining, relaxing. You got the stars out. And I don't know if you could take a look at this, but look, if you can see that over my shoulder, that's a mountain. That's a mountain. I know. That's just who I am, folks. Don't worry about it. But look at this. Look at this house. Look at this. Look at this part of the house, which is the grill. This is the grilling area. It's actually comfortable out here. It's about 110 degrees, but underneath this, it's probably about 105. But it doesn't feel like it. It really feels less than that. And over here, you know, of course, you got the RV gate. You could bring in your toys here and everything, and it's a slab that you could, you know, certainly play, you know, basketball on or whatever you want to do, you know. It's a cool space. And then you have all these stepping stones here, kind of get you to point A to point B. But, you know, you don't have to follow the path. There's more than one way to get into this house. But the first point is call me, Mark McKenna, your realtor. You can call me at 602-882-6005. That's my cell. And I could show you this house, providing it's not sold by then. But, you know, here we are. Neat stuff. Come on down, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to have you. And this is it, folks. This is the ending. Kind of got a breath of the house. I think you're going to like it. It's on the market right now. We're offering it for $875. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home. It's nearly about 4,000 square feet. And like I said, it's in Gilbert and Acacia Estates, which is out here in South Gilbert. It's quiet out here. It's growing. You know, as far as an investment goes, it is certainly an area where it could weather a lot of economic storms, and the amenities in here, you're not going to get tired of them. You're going to love it. So come on down, check it out, call me, text me, I don't care, email me, you know, we'll go from there. Peace.